What is data science and what does a data scientist do? The amount of data generated worldwide is growing exponentially. Currently, an estimated 2.5 quintillion bytes of data are produced every day. More than 3.7 billion people on the planet use the internet daily, and with every click, we add more to the data stockpile. For every activity that takes place online, we are leaving a data trail from which insights can be drawn. Consumer data is now big business. Every time you engage with a business in person or online, different kinds of data are collected from you. This includes personal data such as your gender and social security number, and behavioral data such as your purchase history. With the amount of data now available, businesses need to make sense of it all. Businesses need to derive meaningful insights from data and convert those insights into actions. This is where data science comes in. Data science combines multiple fields, including mathematics, statistics, artificial intelligence, AI, and data analysis to extract value from data. A data scientist is a professional who practices data science by collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data. In carrying out projects, a data scientist will often work in a team with other data-related professionals such as data engineers and business analysts. The data science process. How exactly do data scientists transform data to generate data-driven insights? They go through a series of steps known as the data science process. 1. Discovery. Here the data scientist sets the goals for the project by asking relevant stakeholders the right questions. 2. Data collection. Data is captured in raw, unstructured form from various sources by different methods. 3. Data preparation. Next, the data scientist prepares the data. This is a major part of the work and can take a huge part of the time involved in a project. Because data is hardly generated in a structured manner, the data scientist would have to transform the data to make it ready for use. 4. Data exploration. Here the data scientist identifies trends, patterns, and correlation in the data set. 5. Modeling. This is where statistics and data analysis are used to come up with a model that best fits the data. The data is analyzed using statistical analysis, predictive analysis, machine learning, and other analytical methods. 6. Evaluation. Before the model is presented or deployed, it is evaluated to verify that the model answers the business questions posed at the start of the process. 7. Deployment. The model is deployed in the real world or business environment. Today, data scientists are employed at early-stage startups, Fortune 500 companies, government, and nonprofit organizations. They are helping businesses make smarter decisions, build better products, and provide more value to customers.